So I bought myself a Stone Co mini electric chainsaw. It changes, you can have an 8-inch blade or a 6-inch blade. It's 2-in-1 brush cutter mini chainsaw. I have a lot of small branches that I always cut back in the garden, and sometimes the clippers are quite hard work. So I thought, well, let's get a little chainsaw. I'm going to now unwrap it and show you. It comes in a handy case, so it looks quite good. So I've opened the case and this is what's in there. So there's a manual, a warranty, some gloves, a chain, 2 chains. It's got safety glasses, and that's what the safety gloves are. A battery charger with the thing, 2 batteries, 1, 2, and the saw itself, which has got 1 blade, 6-inch on there, and it's also got an 8-inch. That's why there's different chains. A 6-inch chain. Let's have a look. There's probably a 6-inch chain on here, and then there's 2 8-inch chains, which is pretty good. Looks all really quite good, quite pleased with that. So this is what it looks like. My dog is trying to escape. I charged the battery up, press twice, 1, 2. That's how it works. Feels quite strong. You press the button twice. You certainly cut your fingernails well with that. This adjusts the chain, and I think it's also here where you change this one, the blade holder, the chain holder, to change it to the bigger one. When I use it, I would take the battery out every time, because I think you could actually do some serious damage with this. Definitely recommend it, because I think if we're outside for my little trees cutting line, it's nice and light, it's not heavy, so you know, it would be a lot easier than squeezing those big cutters. And so this is a Stone Co, but I think there's loads of them, and loads of different makes. This was an eBay, actually an Amazon special, so I'll be having lots of fun with it.